Hello, ESL 2. So today is going to be our live lesson. Today, Thursday, it's going to be our live lesson. So I wanted to show you how to get there. Hopefully you already have WebEx on your iPad. Some of you I have already spoken to, and I know you have. Some of you I haven't heard from you yet. So here, there are some directions for how to get to my WebEx. You open the WebEx app, and it should be on your iPad, or if it's not, download it from self-service. The meeting number, just hit join the meeting and go to 807-018-399. You do not have to sign in, just enter the meeting number after you hit join the meeting. If for some reason you were unable to make it, I will upload the WebEx to this folder later, but also make doubly sure that you watch this video, the example expository assignment instructions, because the assignment might be a little confusing if you haven't had it explained to you. It shouldn't be difficult if you have had it explained to you. So if you make the WebEx, you might not need to watch this video. If you can't make the WebEx, definitely watch this video. All right, hopefully I'll see you later on. We'll get started about 5 minutes into class, which for us means about 10:05.